The Engineering Career Coach, helping engineers succeed in work and life. www.engineeringcareercoach.com. This is the audio recording of the Engineering Career Coach blog post entitled Successful Engineering Project Managers Streamline Project Communications. Through our 2 engineering podcasts, we have been able to interview many successful engineering project managers, and there is one common theme among many of them. They communicate only when they have to. This doesn't mean that they necessarily communicate less. It just means that they eliminate extraneous and unimportant conversations, emails, etc. This has proven to set them apart from most other engineering project managers. Being that our theme on the blog this month is focus, you'll see in this post that by streamlining their communication efforts, successful engineering project managers greatly improved their focus. Here are 5 actions successful engineering project managers take to eliminate poor and non-productive communication efforts. Number 1, plan your day and your conversations. Successful engineering project managers plan out their day ahead of time, including the conversations they are going to have and what they want to achieve in each one of them. Paul Engwang, a very successful transportation engineer, told us in an interview that he plans his entire day on his train ride to work each day. Dr. Zach Schaefer, communications expert, has told us that he plans out what he wants to get out of every conversation and every meeting. This sounds like a lot of work, but actually doing this saves you a lot of time and increases your productivity. Number 2, turn off your Outlook notifications on your phone and your computer right now. Successful engineering project managers do not get a pop-up message on their phones or computers every time they get an email. Do you? This is a major distraction and can really negatively impact your focus, communication, and overall project management success. One of our engineering career community members came on a recent podcast episode and talked about how turning off these notifications drastically improved his productivity. Number 3, keep your emails brief and to the point. Successful engineering project managers don't write long, confusing, unclear emails, but a lot of engineers do. Structure your emails in a way that there is a summary at the beginning that stresses the main point. Also, be sure to break emails down into paragraphs or sentences that are easy to digest, and be sure that the person reading it is very clear on what he or she needs to do after he or she reads it. In a past Engineering Career Coach podcast episode, we interviewed Pat Sweet, professional engineer and leadership expert, who gave several strategies that engineers can use to craft more meaningful emails. Number 4, don't hold meetings just for the heck of it. I was never a fan of having regular weekly meetings just to have regular weekly meetings. I have found that successful engineering project managers hold meetings when they have to discuss specific items and tasks that need to be addressed. They also tend to have an agenda and goals for the meeting. There is nothing wrong with doing a weekly staff meeting. Just be sure that you have goals for the meeting. They get conveyed to all attendees, and there is a good process for capturing the to-do items in a meeting and sharing them with all attendees afterward. Number 5, be clear on your expectations for your engineering team. Successful engineering project managers know exactly what their team members are working on, and more importantly, their team members understand why they are working on certain tasks. As a manager, you should be clear on what the assignment is, why the person is doing it, how long it should take, and what the deliverables will look like. Taking time to explain these items can save hours of billable time, should the engineer not understand exactly what he or she is supposed to do. I hope these 5 actions will inspire you to implement some of the actions that successful engineering project managers do on a daily basis. The Engineering Career Coach, helping engineers succeed in work and life. www.engineeringcareercoach.com